Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Liuliao Trail in Armei Township, Hsinchu County, is located in the Lion's Head Mountain area. Visitors who take the trail can enjoy a beautiful view of the Liuliao River as they stroll past Hakka villages, ancient roads, and abandoned coal mines. In late spring, the Liuliao Trail is a perfect place to see the beautiful tung blossoms.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zepsiu. And today, let's have Leo take you out of the studio into the nature and let's go somewhere that's beautiful and breathtaking.
好，那我们今天就来去那个行走烟的峨眉鄉。
行走烟就是新竹县。
对
Alright, that's 新竹 County 的哪里？
峨眉鄉。
峨眉鄉，我聽成糯米香。
不是
峨眉鄉是 something else.
就是峨眉鄉。
Oh, Ermei Township. That is actually pretty famous in 新竹 County.
峨眉鄉它的風景非常的漂亮。
OK
然後呢，這個我們今天要講的這個地方叫做六寮步道，六寮鋪頭。
好像有聽過六寮步道. Okay, so this is a trail that's located again in the Ermei Township called 六寮鋪頭. So 六寮 is the place's name, and 鋪頭 is a trail or a pathway, right? 就是一個步道。那這邊的話，通常去這邊可以欣賞到什麼呢？
其實我先介紹一下它的地理位置。
好，
它是在那個新竹的峨眉鄉嘛，然後過去呢就是苗栗的南莊，所以就是它是在獅頭山的尾巴，就是獅的尾巴那邊。然後呢，這條步道其實它是有一條溪叫六寮溪。
OK，
所以整條步道的風景其實很漂亮，
就跟着那個六寮溪在跑咯。
對對對。
Okay, this trail is located on a mountain called Lion's Head Mountain, and it's actually at the border of Hsinchu County and Miaoli County. And there's also a river that runs right by it, and it's called the Liuliao River. Of course, that's why it got its name, the Liuliao Trail. 然後呢，在這個附近還有什麼東西可以看嗎？
我覺得4、5月份的時候去那邊看油桐花真的很漂亮。
哦，對。In about 2 or 3 months, don't forget, you can also enjoy the tongue flower blossom, which also takes place around this area. All right, let's review these terms. 新竹 County's Ermei Township, 新竹縣的峨眉鄉。
行走煙峨眉鄉。
行走煙峨眉鄉。And then there's the 六寮步道 or the 六寮 Trail.
六寮鋪頭。
六寮鋪頭. And finally, in 2 or 3 months, let's enjoy some tongue flower blossom, 也就是油桐花。
油桐花。
油桐花. And there you have it, taking you out into the nature with this Let's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.